Jane, this is your first time eating food. You want to try some food? Let's put your bed down. Look at this baby baby. Okay, you want to try some? What do you think? It's a little different, isn't it? What is it? What do you think? You like it. What do you think, Jane? Is it good? There's some more? This is banana. Mommy made that for you. What do you think, baby girl? Is it good? Yeah. You're a good eater. Try some more? Here you go. How yummy. Oh, you spit them out. That's okay. Oh, that's okay. You're doing a good job trying. Try some more. Now let's try this spoon to get it better. What do you think? Not your thing? Not bad. I'll try it. Want some more? Here you go. Oh. Good. Jackson, can you tell Jane that it's good? Can you tell her that bananas are good? How is it, girl? Jackson, can you wave at Jane?
See Jane?